Hi, today I'm part of ZTE Blade V40s and I'll show you that the device comes with the earbuds inside the box. So first let's open the box. Let's check this box. So this is some paperwork and the protective case. Now let's check this box. I think this is the charger brick here. Yeah, this is the charger brick. The next box, this is the USB cable, and maybe the earbuds, they are here. So yeah, we can find and see here that our device comes with the earbuds inside the box by default, and also we have here the adapter for 3.5mm headphones here. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.